How to use Homebase step-by-step guide for local business scheduling. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running a local business like a cafe, salon, or retail store and juggling employee scheduling, time tracking, and team communication, Homebase might just become your new best friend. In today's video, we will walk you through how to set up and use Homebase step by step. It is perfect for beginners. You will learn how to manage schedules, assign shifts, handle times of requests, and more. So let's get started. First thing first, if you don't know what is Homebase, so Homebase is all-in-one tool designed to make life easier for small business owner and manager. So if you talk about the feature, you can employ schedule. You can create and share a schedule in a minute. Then you can time track. You can track employees' clock and in and out digitally, and PTO and availability management as well. Team messaging and payroll integration for smooth payout as well. It is trusted by thousands of small business for simplicity and powerful, and especially for managing hourly workers. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply come on to this website, which is homebase.com, and click on this get started for free. So click on it, get started for free to create an account. So let's make work easier. How would you like be using Homebase? Do your own manage your business, or are you an employee or joining a team? So you have to choose. For this tutorial, I will choose do you own or manage a business team? Set up a new business. Click on it. Then what should we call you? My name is Rocket. And how did you hear about us is YouTube, and click on this get started. Now what brings you to Homebase today Rocket is schedule, time tracking, payroll. How long have your business open? Last since 6 months. How do you currently pay run? I'm not running payroll yet. I'm my bookkeepers. I pay in another way. Click on the next, and then what's your business call is maker, and then we will use your zip code to set your time break policies for you. So you have to enter the zip code, and then you have to enter what kind of business is it, and then how many people work over here. After finishing all the details, then you will get this form where you have to enter your email address and then the password, then the phone number, and accept all the privacy policy over here, and then hit the continue to home base. After filling out the all necessary information, you will get to redirect to this home page. So in the left side, you will get to see the home page navigation bar where you can access dashboard, schedule, timesheet, payroll, and team and productivity, and HR center as well. So I have chosen the business of Makers Market Distillery. So if you want to add location, just simply click on this over here, and from here you can add location as well. Now let's set up your team. Now click on this team button in the left side from the dashboard. From here, as you can see, I have, if I want to add a team member, just simply click on this front of house. So in order to add your team member, click on this add team. You will get add team member individually, or you can add bulk add team members. Add several team members at once in a spreadsheet style. So you can add in bulk. So you'll choose add team member manually, then choose the name, add the first name, then the last name, then enter the email address, then the mobile number. Then from here you can assign a role, and then wage, and then hourly rate. The wages will be appear on the hourly, and if you want to go with the annually, you can set it up. So the if you want to give access level, if it is employee, manager, or general manager, you can set up that too. So let's I will quickly add that. After adding all the details, as you can see here, when you click on this job role, from here you will be, there is an option called add new role. From here you can add new role. You can create whatever kind of like server and wait staff, whatever you want to give. So in my case, I will give the role of, let's say, uh, manager, and click on this add new role. Already you have this access level, but you can create that. So I have given then the hourly rate is $2,000, or you can just simply give $200 and then click on this add a team member. So there is I think there is some issue. As you can see here, we could not save your changes. Please wait for a few seconds and try again later. So as you can see here, so there is an issue, so it will not be added. But when you will be adding, maybe you can add from there. So yeah, this is how you can add your team. From here you can set their availability and preferred work hours. This help avoid scheduling conflict later. So as you can see, I have already added a team member over here. So if you go and click on this add to role, so this is the access, the manager, and from here you can set a start date. Then you can add the payroll ID. Then you can add the role which you have, like cashier and several staff, a lot of other things. If you want to add new role, you can add by clicking on this. Then hourly rates you can give. And then you have to choose the effective dates, previous pay, and click on this apply. And then Rocket can vibe and add missed break as well, and click on the save. So this is how you can add a roster to your team. As you can see, you can access all the detail related to your employee. This is personal information. Then you have documents if you want to add that too. Then you have performance as well. Now let's move to create and manage your schedule. Now let's build your schedule. Go to schedule tab in the top right left corner. Then you will get to see there is an option of schedule. Now click on the schedule, then click plus like click shift to add new shift. What you have to do is just simply click on the shift. Maybe my keyboard is not working, but so as you can see here, this is where you will see a calendar layout with days and the weeks. As you can see, you can filter out to the month as well. Now to create your first shift, what you have to do is click an empty space under a specific day and employee name. Let's say, as you can see, this is our first employee. Just assume this is our first employee and click on it. So as you can see, this is I guess a day. So we will go on the weekly. So click, let's say it's about tomorrow, Monday 9. So click on it. From here you can add a shift, like from then you have to select the timing, then choose the role, dishwasher, or manager or whatever. Then choose the color which you like, then apply. If you want to apply this shift to all week, you can apply that too. And then if you want to leave a note if needed, well, like morning rush shift or training days, you can just simply add that note and hit the save button or add button. As you can see here, we have successfully added our shift. uh, so let's say if you want to shift like shift the shift, for example, you don't want the shift on the 12th, you want shift this shift on the 11th, you can drag this shift as well. Now now this is the open shift. Click on the open shift row at the top of the scheduling grid on the whatever you want to where you whenever you want to create. Click on this add a shift the same way as before, but don't assign to it anyone. Now, like as you can see here, just give a name and choose the title, give a name. If you want to select the role, you can select role as well. And from here, you can add this shift as well. This shift can be claimed by eligible employees depending on their roles and availability. Now you can add multiple shifts in a day as well. If someone has two shifts in one days, For example, before the lunch and after the lunch, you can add that too. Click on click on this add another shift over here, and let's say you go, and from here you can assign to anyone. Maybe click on it from here. So under the same employee, define each shift separately, like 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then 3 p.m. to 7. This is useful for split shift or special coverage. Now you can add events as well. Let's say if you want to add events, just simply click on this add event over here. Uh, Add event button, give the event title, then give a description. So this is with an event description, and click on this add event button. So this is how you can add an event to a specific day. You can later drag it- I think drag you can drag this too. Let's say if you want to delete, you can delete this event if you want. So yeah, you can use scheduling templates as well. So this is about uh, adding the availability or shift. If you go into department, from here you can add a new department. Let's say uh, coffee maker, and click on this to make a new department. Maybe it will take new. So as you can see here, you have added this new department. From here you can select type to create a new role or search existing role, and then from here you can add your manager as well and assign to that report this department. If you go into team availability, from here you can check which your employee is free on what. As you can, this is a 5 June. Uh, if you go and this is 13 June, and if you want to assign something, you can assign to your employee from here. You can give a start timing, in timing, and as well location as well. Just simply click on this add button. So as you can see here, we have add team. We have added a preferred in for our employees. Now let's publish and share your schedule. Once your schedule is ready, hit the publish button in the top right corner. So employee will get instant notification via the app, email, or the text. You can view schedule by week from here, month, and days as well. And you can view this schedule from house forecast or whatever you want. Like from here, you can choose weekday rule and department as well. Your team can check their shift anytime using Homebase mobile app or web portal as well. You can manage changes and request. Now, this can things change and Homebase is ready. Employees can request time off or swap shift. You can approve or deny those requests from your dashboard to save time by using schedule templates for recruiting weeks. You can edit and republish a schedule easily. Coinbase will send updates automatically if you go into dashboard. So you will get to see this kind of interface. From here, you can build a schedule, a track, start tracking time as well. Now, let's say if you want to give a payroll, so from here you can integrate or set up your payroll from using Strip or a lot of other third-party application. It will be auto pay, so you don't need to worry about that. So yeah, that's your beginner-friendly walkthrough of Homebase, from scheduling time to tracking and team communication. Homebase makes managing your business operation smooth and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment or question. I will try to give the answer that too. Thanks for watching.